The V8 engine has a conventional 90-degree bank angle. Its crankcase is made of cast aluminum and weighs just 39.1 kilograms. A 150 micrometer thick iron coating is applied via plasma spraying to the cylinder working surfaces, which minimizes friction and wear. An electronic valve arranged centrally in the inside V also regulates the map-controlled piston spray nozzles, as required for piston cool 600 PS at an engine speed of 6,000 rpm, 800 Nm of torque between 2,200 and 4,500 rpm. The 4-liter V8 in the new Audi RS Q8 delivers impressive RS performance. The turbocharged gasoline engine with direct injection allows the large SUV coupe from Audi Sport to sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.8 seconds or to 200 km/h in 13.7 seconds. At 250 km/h, it is electronically curtailed. With the Dynamic Package Plus, the RS Q8 can drive it up to 305 km/h. As standard, the 4-liter TFSI is coupled to an 8-speed Tiptronic with optimized switching times and launch control function. When coasting and rolling out, a clutch in the central transmission opens and interrupts the drive shaft. With its electric oil pump, the Tiptronic can nevertheless engage the gear required for restarting while coasting with the engine switched off. Special ventilation allows off-road use. The V8 goes beyond the permanent all-wheel drive quattro onto the road. Constructed as a planetary gear, the purely mechanical center differential normally distributes the drive forces to the front axle and rear axle at a ratio of 40-60. In the event of slip, more drive torque automatically goes to the axle with the better traction. Up to 70% can be directed to the front wheels or up to 8%. The standard all-wheel steering moves the rear wheels of the new RS Q8 via a high-torque electric spindle drive and 2 track rods. At low speeds, the rear wheels turn up to 5 degrees in the opposite direction of the front wheels, for greater agility and reduce the turning circle. At high speeds, they turn up to 1.5 degrees at the same steering angle as the front wheels to improve stability during fast lane changes. As a result, the rear is brought into the chosen direction. The tuning of the steering is geared to the vehicles used on the racetrack. At the front axle, the rubber metal mounts are designed to be stiffer than those of the Audi Q8 basic model. The elastokinematics, which are optimized for sportiness, lead to a perceptibly more direct steering response in the SUV. With variable ground clearance, short overhangs, quattro permanent all-wheel drive and the hill descent control, the new Audi RS Q8 can carry on calmly and confidently when paved roads end. The standard adaptive air suspension Sport, with controlled damping, means it is equally at home on the racetrack or an off-road trail. Its RS-specific damper tuning allows for a particularly broad spread between a setup biased toward comfort and a particularly sporty setup. The air suspension can be adjusted to various modes with the Audi Drive Select dynamic handling system, varying the ride height of the body by up to 90 mm, depending on the driving situation and the driver's wishes. Up to a speed of 30 km per hour, the driver can increase the ground clearance by up to 50 mm. As the speed increases, the suspension automatically lowers the body gradually. This reduces the drag and serves the purpose of increasing the dynamic handling. For the completely newly developed optional RS ceramic brake system, calipers are designed in gray, red or blue. The discs measure 440 mm at the front and 370 mm at the rear. The anthracite gray ceramic discs are particularly stable, powerful and long-lasting. Air deflector elements rapidly dissipate heat and improve stability against fading. Compared to its steel counterpart, the RS ceramic brake system is 34 kg lighter and thus reduces the unsprung masses for even better ride quality. The sport seats in black pearl Nappa leather and Alcantara fit in perfectly with the athletic atmosphere of the high-performance SUV coupe. An even more luxurious option is available in the form of RS Sport seats covered with Valcona leather in black or cognac, featuring a honeycomb pattern and an embossing of the RS logo. In addition to a massage function, the RS Sport seats are perforated to also provide ventilation.